A common concern that clients of ours will have when they're trying to figure out how they benefit a child is maybe that child doesn't do well with money. They've made some poor spending decisions, they're financially irresponsible, or maybe others manipulate them or take advantage of them, and they're a little too giving in benefiting others other than themselves. And so, a common issue we'll try to plan for is how to prevent these unintended consequences or this misuse or waste of money in the hands of a beneficiary. And so, first and foremost, we usually are going to use a trust to accomplish this goal because a trust is the way that we put rules on how wealth is received and managed for a beneficiary, what they can and can't do, who, if not them, is receiving and managing the money. That's called a trustee. And so, we'll put provisions in a trust that allow for the support or the benefit of a beneficiary without allowing them to unilaterally withdraw property. That puts some guardrails on the use of the money just from the outset. Another is going to be a spendthrift clause. And so a spendthrift provision within a trust is basically saying that this beneficiary has an interest as a beneficiary of the trust and nothing further than that. So that the interest that they receive cannot be assigned to a third party. It can't be used as collateral for a loan. It can't be advanced in any way. And it also can't be attached to by third parties who may be creditors or claimants against any interest that they may have. So things like a divorce, things like a personal injury, plaintiff suing them to get access to money. Maybe they defaulted on a debt of their own. All those claims are prevented from reaching the beneficiary's interest in the trust itself. So generally, this ends up being a layering approach. We want multiple protective elements in the same structure to make sure that what you want to happen will happen.